Today we can discuss in quadratic equation exercise 4.2 sixth question. It is a word problem. I am reading the question first. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on the day. So cost of article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If total cost of the production was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and cost of articles. So here the relation between number of article and cost of article. So according to the question, they given the number we have taken as the number of articles produced on a day is X we can take. The question they given the sentence as cost of production of one article is equal to 3 more than twice the number of articles. That means 3 more than means 3 plus twice means 2 into number of articles produced we are taken as 6. So how many the articles produced on the day is 6 and the cost of production is 3 plus 2x. They given the question total cost is equal to 90 rupees they given. Total cost is equal to 90 rupees they given. You see in a, for example in a pen factory there is a 5 pen, the number of pens 5 pens they are producing. 1 pen rupees is 10 rupees. Then what will be total cost of that production means 5 into 10 50 rupees. Same way here 90 rupees they given. So here the number of articles produced is x we can take and the cost of production is 3 plus 2x is equal to 90. X into that is this two multiplication product is equal to 90 they given. So we can bracket open. So 3x plus 2x square is equal to 90. This we can write in standard form. So 3x we can take this 90 in the left side. So 3x plus 2x square minus 90 is equal to 0. So write in standard form means 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we got the standard form of the quadratic equation. This we want to be split up and we want to find the x value. So here we can take it as product and sum 1. Product is equal to 2 into minus 90 is equal to minus 180 and sum is equal to the middle term it is 3. So minus 180 3. So two numbers we want to find. So 180 you can factorize. With 2 it becomes 90. Again 2 it is 45. With 3 it is 15. Again 3 it is 5. So we want the product is 180 and sum is 3. Sum 3 product negative means sum we are finding name difference we want to find. For this you check it. 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. So 12 and 15 we can take. So two numbers you are getting as 12 and 15. Which one is negative means bigger number is positive. So 15 is positive, 12 is negative. So we can split up this one. That is 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. From this 2 and this 2 we can take outside. From this 15 and 2 there is no common factor. X square x is common factor. So 2x plus 15. A third term what sign that sign you should put. 12 and 90 you want to find HCF. 12 and 90 HCF is 6 is HCF. So here 2x plus 15. From the negative you are taking outside. Divide by negative is positive. So it is 0. So from these two terms 2x plus 15 is common into x minus 6 is equal to 0. From this we can take either 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 is 0 means 2x is minus 15, x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Here x is equal to 6. X is equal to minus 15 by 2 is neglect. Why means x we are taken the number of articles. Number of articles never be negative. So it is neglect. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 means number of articles produced on a day is 6. X we want to find y also. I am writing here. So we want to find y also. For that x value we found that is x6. X6 means we can find the cost of production. Cost of production what we are written? Cost of production is equal to we written as 3 plus 2x. That is 3 plus 2 into 6. That is 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So cost of production, cost they are asking. So cost we can write as 15 rupees. So cost of production is 15 rupees. and number of article is equal to 6. Number of article is equal to 6. Thank you.